Got my flashlight. Let's see. Does it work? Ah, it does work.
Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to the vlog. It's nice outside, not really windy, so we decided to come to the park.
Mommy actually planned it.
I planned it. Ha ha ha. So we decided to come to the park today. You know, we've been hermit crabs in the house, so we decided to enjoy being outside.
Hey! Woo! This is scary! Mama, help! Stop it!
This is not scary. Don't hit your head.
Mommy, you stand on it.
No! So excited. So hey guys. Sorry you have some dirt on you. Don't forget to subscribe to the vlog so you don't miss a single second with us. And also, I'm getting rocked. Ah! Also, stop. Also, don't forget to subscribe, share, hit that thumbs up button, and most importantly, don't forget to comment down below for your chance to win that $50 gift card giveaway we're having at the end of the month. So do it. Something's chasing me. Oh my gosh. I'm losing my pants. Something's chasing me. Oh my gosh. Oh. Thought I was being chased by some monster. Well, it is. It's a pay monster.
Pay popper.
Pay monster. I'm glad nobody saw the back view of that. It was not pretty. My pants just completely came down. Hey, found one of these. I forget what they're called at the second. Comment down below if you know. But she's gonna make a wish and then she's gonna blow up. Blow it all off. I'm gonna try and attempt to touch a slide. Ah! It is hot, man. It's very hot. Don't forget that we need some more suggestions for that catch phrase. And whoever comes up with the best catch phrase gets a special shout out in one of our videos. And when we eventually make t-shirts, they'll get the first t-shirt with the catch phrase. So we're gonna go and leave and go to the Family Dollar and get a cold drink. Pay was like crying because the gnats were all over her. Afraid that they were gonna bite her everywhere. So it's pretty, you know, it's not as hot as Texas. I'll give you that. But I'm really not used to this heat and me not feeling well the past few days. I feel kind of tired and worn out, a little dehydrated. I'm gonna go get a cold drink.
So we're all out back and we heard this noise coming from the corner of our patio. I guess Nikki heard it last night, but it sounds like an owl. I want to see if you guys can hear it. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it or not, but it sounds like an owl. So I'm going to go up in the attic because there may be an owl in the attic. Could be a little scary. So I got my ladder all set up. And that's the access hole for the attic. So let's see what's up there. It's awfully hot up there. Got my flashlight. Let's see. Does it work? Ah, it does work. I don't hear it up there. I don't know what that noise is. That's odd. I don't know what that noise is. It's kind of creepy. Sounds like an owl in there. I guess I couldn't find it. Maybe it'll come out at some point. We'll see what it is.
Hey guys, hope you enjoyed our day. Faye, what was your favorite part?
My favorite part was going in the pool. And I got a little sprint from the pool. I don't know if you can see it.
My favorite part was getting out of the house, going to the park with Faye. We had fun, but it was hot.
I had to take a drink after.
My favorite part was going in the creepy attic. It's creepy up there.
I'm going to see it tomorrow.
She'll see it on the vlog tomorrow.
Yeah, that's the only way.
Anyway, if you liked this video, give it a
Thumbs up.
Be sure to subscribe if you're new. Check out our other videos. And we'll see you tomorrow at Faye's Place. Bye.
Bye.
Faye's Place.